Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Today we're going to show you how to upgrade the halogen lights on your JL Wrangler or JT Gladiator for less than $400. Now what I got in front of me are these Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator CJ Off-Road Edition white LED headlights featuring a daytime running light as well as this super sweet design that's going in the front of your Jeep and make it look super aggressive. Now these are going to be a direct plug and play, and they also include two cords here where you can attach them for the daytime running light feature, and we'll show you how to get that installed in just a few minutes. Now what I really like about these headlights is the aggressive design as well as the fact that they're completely plug and play besides one extra wire which they include the harness for. You're going to simply remove your halogen headlights, install these, plug them in with a factory connection, run one extra wire, and then you'll be good to go. Now with that being said, we're going to show you how to rip out these headlights and get these installed. So in order to get the grill removed to pull the headlights out, you're going to use a flat blade screwdriver and remove the 6 clips on top of the grill to make sure we can pop this off. We also did move our winch forward, and if you do have a winch bumper, it might be a little bit trickier to pull the grill off, so I suggest doing this before you install a winch bumper. But if you need to, just pull the winch off, move it forward a little, and you can pop this forward. Then we can pull the grill off by removing all the clips, and they'll just pop out. You can set it aside. So there's going to be 3 bolts that hold on each headlight. They're going to be a 10mm, so we'll go ahead and pull those off. We will want to set these aside as we're going to be reinstalling them with the new headlights. Go ahead and pull the headlights straight out towards you, and then we can disconnect the factory connection in the back and set these aside. So there's a small harness that does come with these, and these are plug and play into the back of the headlight. Now this side will come over here up to a butt end that'll go into the headlight, and what you'll do is run that up over the radiator shroud, tuck it underneath here. There'll be another connection on the other side to plug in, and then we're going to figure out where to tap it in up top there to make these come on with your daytime running lights and function properly. It is super nice that it came with this and you don't need to reflash or add any extra wiring that you have to really kind of chop everything up to do. This is nice and plug and play here. So with that being said, let's throw both of the headlights in and figure out where we're going to put that, get it all finished up. So what we're going to do here to wire this up is we're actually going to tap into the factory headlight harness. Now if you do have a basic sport like us, you're going to have a white wire with a light tan indicator. Now obviously check with your manual, check what year Jeep you have. This is a 2018 turbo, so they might be different on that, but go ahead. And all I did to test these out was actually turned on the headlights and then just took the wire and put it in here and tested it out until I figured out which one was the daytime running light. And for us, it's the white with the tan stripe. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim this harness up right to about here, use the included vampire clamp into the factory headlight harness, and then they should all work like so. So as you can see, I just took a pair of snips here and trimmed that back. We don't need that wire now. So we're going to take the included vampire clamp and go over the white wire with the tan stripe. Be a little bit tight, but should go right on in. Okay, there we go. We've got that in now. Guys, this is one way of wiring it too. So if you do want to get a fuse tap or a mini fuse tap, you can run it up to your fuse box. But this is a way to do it with all the included products, which we like to show. That way you don't need to go out and buy anything extra. So we can put this in there too. And then with the vampire clamp, all you have to do is make sure you compress the center section so it taps into both wires. Just like that, and we can clip it shut. You hear a couple snaps. Now we're good to go. We're officially tapped in. All we need to do is plug this into the back of the headlight, button everything up, throw our grill back on, and we're gonna be good to go. So now we're gonna plug the headlight harness in and listen for a little click. Then we can tuck everything in here and use the factory hardware to get it all reinstalled. All right guys, we got these finished up and they are looking absolutely amazing on the front end of our 2018 JL Wrangler. I think this is a great upgrade if you have the halogen lights and are looking for this type of aggressive look. I think it looks super modern, and almost those designs in there, they look super clean too. I can't really describe what it looks like, but it definitely looks very modern and really gives a great updated look to the front end of your JL or Gladiator. Now, like I said before, these are relatively cheap too, so if you're looking for a great option at a great price, this is definitely what you want to check out. Now, if you want to find these as well as many other great lighting upgrades for your JL or Gladiator, be sure to drop by cjponyparts.com.